How to log out from Amazon app. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log out from the Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're logged in on the Amazon app and then you decide that you want to log out, just tap and open the Amazon shopping app, and you can currently see that I am signed into my account. What I have to do to sign out is to simply tap on the three lines option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you come to this page, scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll find an option or a drop-down menu, more likely called as Setting. Open up the drop-down menu of Setting and you'll enable all these options, where you'll find the option called Switch if you want to switch to another account, or Sign Out if you want to sign out of another account here. So tap on Not option, then tap on the Sign Out option, and then you'll be able to successfully sign out of Amazon app. This way you'll be able to sign out of or log out of Amazon app. Hope this video was really helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.